Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence? Well, buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. It may sound like something out of a sci fi movie, but it is very real and already a part of our daily lives. One key insight to remember about AI is that it relies on data and algorithms to make decisions and perform tasks. Think of it as a brain that needs to be fed with information in order to learn and make decisions. This is why data is often referred to as the fuel for AI. So, how is AI being used in our everyday lives? Well, you may have already interacted with AI without even realizing it. Have you ever used a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa? These are examples of AI powered technology that can understand and respond to human commands. AI is also being used in industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses and creating personalized treatment plans for patients. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, and in transportation, it is used for self driving cars. Now, you may be wondering, how can I get started with AI? Well, the first step is to familiarize yourself with the basics of programming. AI relies heavily on coding, so having a foundation in programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++ can be very helpful. There are also many online courses and resources available for those who want to learn more about AI. Fastlane, as your global IT training partner, offers a variety of courses on AI and other cutting edge technologies. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of this rapidly growing field. Subscribe to our channel for more tech training and updates on the latest trends in the IT world. And remember, this clip was brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Thank you for watching.